Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to unlock an iCloud account using a completely free and official method. There's no payment required, no shady workarounds, and no tricks. Just the recommended way to recover access to your device. This method is compatible with all iPhone models, including the latest ones like iPhone 14, 15, and 16. It's designed to help in situations where you've forgotten the password to your iCloud ID or when you've bought a secondhand device that's still connected to the previous owner's account. Many people get stuck because they think the only way to fix this is to pay someone or use risky software. But in this video, I want to show you the proper, ethical solution you can do yourself for free. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily. I'll explain exactly what you need to do and what to expect during the process. This approach is safe, simple, and designed for anyone who can't recover their password through Apple's standard reset or can't get in touch with the original owner to remove the lock. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to regain access to your device without spending any money or risking your data. Let's get started. The first step is to find your phone's IMEI number. Tap the I icon on the lock screen or check the SIM card tray. Sometimes it's printed there. Then head over to this website. Here you can request the unlocking of your iCloud account. Just go to this form and fill it out with your iPhone model, country, IMEI number, and your personal email address, where you'll receive the confirmation that your iCloud account has been successfully unlocked. After completing the form, you just have to wait for the confirmation email. Sometimes it's super fast, and other times it can take a couple of days, so you'll need to be patient. But once the unlocking request is processed, you'll get an email just like this. The email will confirm that your iCloud account has been unlocked. Once you receive this email, restart your iPhone. Then we simply need to connect it to Wi-Fi. Let's continue with the initial activation, then proceed with the initial setup. As you can see here, the iCloud activation lock has been removed, and we're able to successfully log into a new account. And that's it. Our iPhone has been successfully unlocked, and now we're able to use it without any restrictions. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.